In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your calls are disconnecting automatically on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just make sure that your Samsung phone is connected to the internet and also make sure that the internet connection is good. Now if you're in an area where the internet connection is weak, this can cause the calls to automatically disconnect. Now to fix this issue, just open the quick settings and from here just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now after that just tap on this icon one more time and turn it off. And by doing that you will do a quick network refresh on your Samsung phone. Now after you've done that, then just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. From here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, then select settings. Under settings just scroll down and tap on supplementary services. Now after you do that, then just tap on call bearing and select allow. And from here just disable all the options available on this page. After you do that, then just go back and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just grab your Samsung phone and insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your phone. And from here just remove the SIM card tray from your phone. Now after you do that, then from the SIM card tray just remove your SIM cards. Now after you remove your SIM cards, then just check if they are damaged or not. If your SIM card is damaged, try to use another SIM card and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your SIM card is not damaged, just grab your SIM card and insert it to the SIM card tray and make sure that it fits properly into the SIM card tray. After you insert your SIM cards into the SIM card tray, then just grab your SIM card tray and insert it back in your phone. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings and under settings just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this app list, just tap on the search icon and search this. Now just tap on SIM Toolkit. Now from here just scroll down and tap on storage. From here just tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data. Now just select delete. After you do that, then just go back. Now if you have two SIM cards inserted in your Samsung phone, you will have two options for SIM Toolkit. Now just select both of them and go to storage, then tap on clear cache and select clear data, then tap on delete. Now after you clear the cache and the data of both of your SIM toolkits, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. From here, just select restart. And this is how you can fix the calls disconnecting automatically problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.